Hi everyone, welcome back to my another new video. Today I will show you how to make this super tasty creamy white sauce pasta without lumps and very tasty, which is creamy and easy to make. Without wasting your time, let's begin. Firstly, take a vessel and add 2 cups of water into it and cover it and boil the water. When the water is boiling, add 1 spoon of salt and add the pastas into the water and boil it. When pastas are boiling, in that time cut the veggies carefully. In white sauce pasta, veggies are optional but add. It will gives a better taste in pasta. Cut the onions and capsicum into small pieces like this. Cut the onions carefully. And cut the onions, capsicum, garlic into small pieces like this. And take a vessel and add 2 spoons of oil. And add 2 spoons of refined wheat flour maida and mix it until the maida mix with oil. Mix it properly because we want lumps-free pasta. Mix it like this. And add slowly milk and mix it again neatly. We want this consistency and it should be thick and saucy, and again add some milk and mix well because we want no lumps in white sauce pasta. And add the remaining milk and mix until it becomes saucy and thick like this. You can use cheese, but I have used liquid cheese. It will gives a better taste than cheese. And mix it well. You can see our white sauce is ready. And take a vessel for frying the veggies and add 2 spoons of oil. And add veggies like onion, capsicum, and garlic like this. And mix it well. You want to fry this for 1 minute and add the white sauce into it. And mix it well. After mixing, add the boiled pasta into it and mix it well. Like this, you can see this, it is looking very creamy and tasty. And add the spices, like half spoon of black pepper, pinch of salt, and add half spoon chili flakes and oregano. And garnish with coriander. And you can see it is looking very